Here are some quick facts about bears. 1. 8 species includes polar, grizzly, black bear, and panda. 2. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Polar bears are mostly carnivorous, pandas mostly herbivorous. 3. Hibernation. Many bears hibernate in winter, surviving on body fat. 4. Strong smell. Black bears can smell food from miles away. 5. Small cubs. Bear cubs are born tiny but grow quickly. 6. Communication. They use vocal sounds, body language, and scent marking. 7. Tree climbers. Black bears are great climbers. 8. Conservation. Polar bears and pandas face habitat threats. 9. Polar bear fur. Their fur is transparent and their skin is black for warmth.